Now, given an array of integers, find the minimum and also the maximum values respectively. So what they're basically saying is that if we are given a list of array, what we need to do is we need to find out which one is the smallest and which one is the largest value. In this case, if we are given a 4, 2, 5, 7, and 9, what we need to do is we need to find or write a program that will find the smallest, which in this instance is 2, and also the largest in this case is number 9. So we go to IntelliJ, and then we say new Java class, and then I'll call it min max array. And then you have to have your normal main method so that we can be able to test it straight away. So what they're saying is that given any integer array, so you can have any random values. I'm just gonna put in any 5, any random values for each, 9, 3, and maybe 5, maybe 4. Yeah, but a lot of 5s here. Maybe I can replace that with a 6. So you can just put any random values. So what we need to do is we need to assume that the first element of the array is the minimum. And also the largest one, we can assume that it is also the first one in the array. Then what we need to do is we need to loop through the array for each int I equals to, for now I'll start from 0, just so that I don't confuse others, and then to the length, and then we increment I. Then what we need to do is that we need to say that if the value at index I is less than the minimum, the smallest, it means that that value is now the smallest value. Otherwise, we can say if that value is greater than the biggest value, then it means it should now be the biggest value. Now that we are all set, I think this is the end of our solution. So what we need to do is we just need to print these values to the console as requested, and then we can also have our maximum value as well. Perhaps I can put it on a new line. Let's just see if it works. So in this instance, we can tell that the smallest value is 3 and the biggest value is 9. So that means that our solution works. And so this is going to be a big O. In terms of big O notation, it's going to be big O of n. And then here it will be constant. It will be O of 1. And here so it will be O of 1, of 1, of 1. And then at the end we'll have big O of n, which is still an acceptable solution. But so here, instead of starting from 0, we already have 0 or the first index of the first value of the array. We already have it here. We've already assigned it. We can actually start from 1. just to increase time a little bit there. And let's see if it still works, which will still arrive to the same solution. Yes, thank you.